How's it going, everybody? February 15th, Merch by Amazon sales update. I'll just start with I guess asking, like, do I actually see some momentum? You know, things are slightly improving and sales are slowly adding up. Now, of course, we have to keep in mind that we're still talking about like under 10 sales a day in the US, and the overall average, like once in a while, will hit 10 daily sales overall in all the marketplaces. But I'm sensing and I'm seeing a bit of an improvement. Even right now, like today, I'm recording this kind of halfway through the day. I have 7 sales, and as you can see here, 4 in Germany, 1 in the UK, and then 2 in the US. Yesterday was also an all right day. As you can see here, 5 sales in the US, and overall I had 8 sales. Now, I know those numbers don't seem impressive at all, but if we're looking at, you know, even 2 weeks before today, these numbers are actually looking pretty good. So there is, I'm feeling like the momentum has changed, and I would say a couple of days ago, and my averages are actually going up. And international sales, it's like, it's weird to see, you know, like a random marketplace like Germany beating US, but you know, like if you've watched any of my videos over the last couple of months, you know that my US sales have just nosedived, I think in November or October. I'm not exactly sure when it happened. So right now, the fact that I'm actually seeing a slight increase in sales and my 7-day average is now pushing like 40, 45 by the end of the day is really good, because I was in low 20s just a couple of days ago. So that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. As you can see here, like in Germany, there's one product that sold 3 today. So I actually just checked. I put in a German zip code, and I just wanted to see if there's like an Amazon's choice tag or something like that. There isn't. So somebody must have shared that product link with somebody, or maybe it's showing up more frequently based on certain keywords. Again, keep in mind, like I'm just using either Merch Titan's automation translation or the Amazon's translation. So I actually don't know the quality of the translations. I trust in those translation services, but again, like I don't know, you know, how they structure the sentences or anything like that. If there's a natural flow to that conversation, that translation, but whatever is happening, it seems to be working. So far this month, overall, 105, which is good. And yesterday I was actually under 100, and we're kind of halfway through the month. Like it's the 15th. I know February is a short month, but if I crack 200 sales, and if you know this gets close to January sales, even with, you know, $300 plus in royalties in the US, and then, you know, if I get an additional maybe 200 plus in all the other marketplaces, I'll be happy for February, because February, my expectation was to expect a drop in sales, and you know, that's just, you know, historical data. If we're looking at February, like the standard is that sales will drop, as you can see here, but then, you know, I'm expecting March and then to slowly start increasing. Like I still haven't figured out what happened with my account, but it doesn't matter. This is the situation that I'm in, and I'm gonna, you know, just keep doing what I'm doing. So, you know, no, I can't stop. I can't give up, right? Still uploading all new designs. I've changed that strategy a little bit. Auto uploads are actually going nuts, and I actually like the products that are being auto uploaded. And so anyways, overall, it's a good feeling. I mean, minus the really bad sales, but overall, like the direction that I feel I'm going in is pretty good. Let me see if there's anything else that so the last thing that I just wanted to do was compare the first 14 days of last month, just to see. So we're at 105 today, and so 77 overall. So this month is about 30 sales ahead of last month so far. So if that continues for the remainder of the month, let's say I get 50 or 60 more sales than I did in January, then we're looking at 200 and plus sales. Again, this is all just guesswork based on the current numbers, and I'm comparing them to last month. So this would be last month, and then this month so far, it's looking pretty good, compared to January. Anyways, that's it. I guess there's momentum. Momentum is good, especially in this direction. Okay, I'll leave it here. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.